Lately, we've been watching Joshua Weissman. He's a really great chef, and we found a great recipe that I really wanted to try, called Duchess Potatoes. This is one of the boiled potato methods that Josh shows in one of his videos. We start off by rinsing potatoes and then peeling them.
Is this your first time peeling potatoes?
Yeah.
I'm using the potato peeler. I think that's where we all start, with the potato peeler. We're still working on the first potato.
Yes, I know.
Okay, so she's almost finished. So just 4 potatoes here, and they'll be going into the boiling water after she cuts them up. Yep, that in towards it. There we go, just like that.
Yay! We got it. Since we don't have a piping set, we're using a bag instead. We're going to push all the paste down to the corner, snip the corner off, and then when we're ready to pipe, we're good.
You have to press it down on it.
Mine didn't look as good as my dad's, so making it better. Those look delicious. We need to
Sit them up there. Go. Ta-da! Duchess potatoes.
You did your first cut. You did your first cut.
Your first, wow, you make it sound like a meth lab. Okay.
They look great. They don't look perfect like in the video, but for a first timer, it looks great.
Okay, so taste your creation. Tell us how it tastes. Which one are you gonna taste? Oh, yeah.
It's really good. I taste the jalapeno ranch, and obviously the potatoes.
They're good?
They're crunchy, they're soft, and they taste delicious.
All right, let's feed them to your brothers.
Okay. Peter first. Yep. Good.
Is that yummy? Simon? You sure?
Do they actually taste good or no? Yep, they taste
All
good.
right, Logan.
Tastes like French fries.
Good. Nolan.
Tastes like French fries to me also. Yeah, I think it kind of. I want to have vanilla. Like kind of like.
Okay.
We all have vanilla.
All right. Ta-da! Duchess Potatoes. All right, everyone say bye.
But if you want to see more videos like this, like and subscribe. Bye.